today we are gonna be making Baker's white chocolate cookie balls. See, you can see them on the box. It says kit includes chocolate cookie combos right here, and white chocolate bar. Oh, white chocolate bar, and rainbow sprinkles. Ooh, so rainbow. And this is just add cream cheese. Oh, so this would be so easy because it says just add cream cheese. Done. So now let's turn it to the back. And now it says what you need. 4 O's, cream cheese soften. Oh, okay. So 1 mix, 2 shape, 3 microwave, 4 dip, 5 decorate. I don't know what that says, but it's hard. So what we'll be doing is, it's something about it. So this is kind of different as all the other ones that we made because it's a ball and we have to dip it into something. So we're going to be melting this. It says put it in the microwave and then we'll have to mix it a bit. So then, because if there's some chocolate bars still a bit hard or something. And then we're going to dip the ball that we made because I think we have to shape it. I don't know. And then we put it in the dip. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, let's get started. So now, first we already have the chocolate cookie crumbles in here. Now, I just have to put in the cream cheese. So let's do that. There! Ha 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 ha! Cream cheese, you won't beat me now. Oh, that looks good. Let's mix. I just made a mess. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's going good. It's just, there's not that much cream cheese in it. Okay, it's a bit tough using the spoon, so I guess I'll use my hands. Oh, and now it's actually time to shape. So if you want to do any shape, but I'm just gonna do circles. So what you have to do is grab a piece. Oh, that smells so good. And then you're gonna roll it into a fine ball. Ooh. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, let's put the first one in there. Now let's grab the second ball. Well, I'm not grabbing it, I'm making it. Let's make the second ball. Dun, 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 dun. Like, it will be so fun if I can, like, go faster. Now, guys, now let's count how many moon cake balls we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in all. 5 plus 5 equals 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 10 in all. Okay, now the box said it has to freeze for 15 minutes. Now, let's go ahead and freeze it. Okay, we freezed it for 15 minutes now. We're gonna melt the chocolate bar, so let's open it up. Oh, that smells so good. I wish I can take a bite, like take a piece of it, but I can't. I'm gonna check it. Oh my god, they taste so good. Time to put the chocolate to melt. This piece is gonna be for me. I'll eat it all up. So the white chocolate's melted now. So now it's time to do the part. What I really wanted to do. It's time to, well, make sure you have a fork. And then, so we have, you see this ball here? Put the fork in the ball. And if you want to shape it a bit more, you can, and then do this. I'm gonna put it in the chocolate, and then swirl it all around and cover it up. Now you get it. Now you get it. Now you get it. I can't actually do the bottom that much. I guess this one will be fine. Now let's dip it into the chocolate. Oh, that's too much. Not the chocolate, the sprinkles, but that was too much sprinkles. Now, if you have a little tin spoon like this or something, you can even use your hands. Then you're gonna use it and take it out. Oh, okay, we finished doing it. See? Ooh, it's still chocolatey. Now we have to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes again. Okay, let's do it. Oh, guys, it's finished freezing for 15 minutes again. So, look, guys. I'm gonna take this one. It's pretty good. You can try it. Go out there and make your treats. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe and share this with your family and friends. Bye, guys.